What if learning felt like an adventure? Where every day brings a new discovery, every challenge makes us smarter, and every friend is part of a team. This is what school feels like at Rainbow, the global school. At Rainbow, the global school, education is more than just books and exams. Our mission is to nurture young minds through a holistic approach that combines academic excellence with emotional, physical, and creative growth. In today's fast-changing world, our focus is on equipping students with 21st century skills: critical thinking, communication, collaboration, and creativity. Our unique programs ensure that students learn, grow, and thrive. Our STEAM-based learning integrates science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics, encouraging students to explore concepts through hands-on projects. We also use playway pedagogy to make learning fun, interactive, and meaningful. We empower students with skills for the future through coding and robotics programs, where young minds learn to design, program, and build their own creations. We believe a sound body leads to a sound mind. Our structured physical education and sports programs foster fitness, teamwork, and discipline. With mindfulness and meditation integrated into our daily schedule, students learn to stay calm, focused, and emotionally balanced. Our creative programs, like calligraphy, abacus, and art and craft, nurture precision, focus, and artistic expression in every child. Yoga is an integral part of our curriculum, promoting both physical fitness and inner peace, ensuring students develop strength and mindfulness. At Rainbow, the global school, we celebrate diversity and foster global awareness. We involve parents, teachers, and students in building a community that cares, shares, and grows together.
Welcome to Rainbow, the global school. Here we nurture children not only in academics but also in life skills. We offer curriculum includes innovative programs like playway pedagogy, coding, robotics to spark curiosity in children. We emphasize on physical well through sports and yoga. We provide best infrastructure which includes skating, cricket, karate, volleyball and football and etc. games. We have technology enabled classrooms which have interactive boards, computer labs, science labs, math lab, abacus, coding lab and robotic lab. Our goal is to prepare the children for 21st century skills to excel in dynamic world. Join us for this holistic learning of excellence for the best future of your children. Thank you.
As the principal of Rainbow the Global School, I am proud to share that we have created a vibrant, interactive learning environment. We have implemented interactive panels in all classes, introduced robotics, coding, computers, abacus, and the school cinema program, spoken English, dance, music, taekwondo, skating, cricket, football, and parachute activities for pre-primary.
Rainbow the Global School outshines as an exemplary educational institution that prioritizes the comprehensive development of every child. The school focuses not only on the academic fields but as well as on co-curriculum activities that creates a well-rounded environment for every child.
My kid goes to nursery in this school. I chose Rainbow Global School because they provide activity-based learning. They provide many activities which help the students to improve their skills. They make the learning very easy and interesting and in a fun way. I like the way how the playground is so secure. Nobody from outside can enter.
Today I'm here to tell you about this wonderful school. I am really pleased with the quality of education and the extracurricular activities that have been provided at the Rainbow School. There is a very well raising of the children and the growing of the children here. There are also celebration of festivals. Every festival there is celebrated with so much joy and learning, and it makes it very beautiful for the children and very memorable for the children here. And apart from that, other activities such as the Red Day, the Color Day, the Milk Day, it makes it very memorable and very experimental and experience-full learning for the children.
Choosing Rainbow, the global school means choosing a future of endless possibilities for your child. With our focus on holistic development, innovative teaching methods, and 21st century skills, we prepare every student to excel in life. Come, be a part of our vibrant learning community. Let's empower young minds and shape bright futures together at Rainbow, the Global School.